Okay, hi everyone, welcome to today's lesson. Okay, let's discuss the homework that I gave you last Friday. Okay, please check your answers. For question 1a, we have to divide 9.02 kg divided by 5. So the number that's divided will be put outside. Okay, 155. Balance is 4, bring down 0, 8, 5, 40, bring down 2. We have a balance here. Now this is the decimal point, so we can always add 0, bring down 0. Sorry, I should put a 0 first. 0, 5, 0. No wonder I feel weird. Balance is 2, then only bring down 0. Okay, then 4, 5, 20. And then your decimal point, don't forget your unit. Don't forget. Okay, B is the one on the right side, yeah? 10.2 divided by 6. This is round number in front, so we can start with the second number. Okay, if it is decimal point in front, then we have to start with the first number. So this is round number, we can start with the second number, 166. Balance is 4, bring down 2, 7642. Decimal point and your unit. C, 13.51 divided by 14, and then we need to change to gram. Okay, now this C-field is not familiar to us, so we can create our own C-field. So C-field 1 on your left, 111, 212, 313, 414, 515, 616. And then C-field 4 on your right, 144, 248, 3412, 4416, 5420, 6424, 7428. And then you put them together. 1 and 4 is 14, 2 and 8 is 28, 3 plus 1 is 4, copy 2, 4 plus 1 is 5, copy 6, 5 plus 2 is 7, copy 0, 6 plus 2 is 8, copy 4, 7 plus 2 is 9, copy 8. If it's not enough, then we have to continue. Okay, let's start with the round number first. Now 13 is smaller, so we just write 0. 0 times 14 is 0. Balance 13. Check, make sure it's smaller than 14. Bring down 5. Now you see that we don't have enough. So we have to continue here. 8, 9 and 10. 8, 4 is 32. 9, 4, 36. 10, 4, 40. 8 plus 3 is 11. Copy 2. 9 plus 3 is 12. Copy 6. 10 plus 4 is 14. Copy 0. So we can take 126 because it has to be smaller. 126 is 9. So 9 times 14 is 126. Balance is 9. Okay, check. Make sure it's smaller than 14. Bring down 1. 91, we can take 84. This is 6. 6 times 14 is 84. Balance is 7. Add a 0. Bring down 0. 70 is 5. You see that? 5 times 14, 70. Decimal point, don't forget. Unit, don't forget. And then we have to change to gram. Okay, question asking for gram. So 0.965 times 1000 gram. Move 3 times to the right. 1, 2, and 3. 965 gram. Okay. Alright. You can always pause the video and rewatch any part that you miss it. Okay, let's continue. For D. Now D, we are given a fraction, a mixed number. So I would change to improper fraction. 4 times 7 plus 3. 4, 7, 28 plus 3, 28 plus 3, 31 over 4. divided by 50. Okay, I will change to gram first because the question asking for gram. So we change to gram first. Okay, kg to gram times 1000 gram. Then you divide 4. Divide 4 is 250, and then 31 times 250 is 7750 gram. Then we divide 50. Okay, this one I won't have to create a new sphere because 50 is the same as 5 with an extra 0. Okay, sphere 50 is the same as sphere 5 plus a 0 behind. Okay, so 150, 50. Make sure it's smaller than 50 here, the balance. Bring down 5. This is 5. 50, 55, 25. Make sure it's smaller than 50. Bring down the last one. Again, 50, 55, 25. The unit is gram here, so the answer is gram. Okay. Question E. 21.1 divided by 10 change to gram. So you can divide first and change to gram, or you just change to gram first. Okay, you change to gram. 1, 2, 3, 2 spaces, you add 2 zeros. So it's 21,100 gram. And then you divide 10. Divide 10, you go back the decimal point. So 2,110 gram. Okay, 2,110 gram. Question F. Okay, this one we don't have to convert. So we can change to decimal point first. So I split the mixed number into 36 plus 4 over 5 kg. 4 over 5, you change to decimal point. 4 divided by 5. 4 inside, 5 outside. Okay. The number on top is the number inside. 050 at decimal point 8540. Decimal point, don't forget. So this is 0.8. Okay, and then you put them back together. This is round number, this is decimal point. Okay, then we can divide 100. Divide 100, you just move decimal point 2 times to the left. 1, 2, dot, add a 0 in front, 0.368 kg. Alright, okay, question G, 1G, yeah? 6.8 kg, divide 1000, change to gram. Okay, this is an interesting question. Okay, so there are, how many methods can you do this? Okay, there are 3 methods you can do this. First method, you change to gram first. Okay, so you change to gram, you change to gram and then you divide 1000. That's the first method. Second method, you divide first and then you change to gram. Okay. Third method, you just copy. Now why do I copy? Because you divide 1000 and then you times 1000. Okay, kilo to gram is times 1000. So you divide 1000 and then you times 1000. It cancels out each other. Remember, divide and times, they are opposite force. So you divide 1000, you times 1000, you get back the same number. That's why I just copied. Okay, if you don't believe me, we try method 1. After you times 1000, you get 6,800 gram, correct? And then you divide back, you get, what do you get? You get 6.8. Okay, that's why I just copy. Okay, remember, times and opposite, they are opposite force. Times and divide, I mean. Okay, times and divide. So when you have the times 1000 and then divide back 1000, you are actually reversing the effect. Okay, so you just copy the number. That is faster. Same goes for plus and minus. Plus and minus, they are opposing force. So if you plus 1000 minus 1000, you get the same number. If the front number is 500, you plus 1000, you minus 1000, you get back 500. Okay. All right. H. What would I do this one? You can change to decimal point, or you can also change to. Okay, this is a similar question. You have to times 1000, divide 1000. So this is the answer. Yeah, just copy the question, but I change to decimal point. I get 9.7 because 7 over 10. You move decimal point one time to the left, you get 0.7. So you get 9.7 gram. Just copy the question. Why? Because divide 1000 and then times 1000. This is same like question G. So we just change the fraction to decimal point. 7 over 10 is 0.7. So you get 9.7 gram. Okay. If you want to try it, you can try it also. You change to gram. Mixed number, you change to improper fraction, right? Times and then plus, you get 97 over 10. You change to gram first. 9,700 gram, and then you divide 1000. 1, 2, 3, you get 9.7 gram. Can you see it's the same? Okay, finally, last question, question 2. Based on the diagram, complete the empty boxes. So you can see the sugar, the total is 4.5 kg. Okay, look at the sack there, 4.5 kg. And then there are 4 jars, right? There are 4 jars, so you divide 4. And answer in gram. You can change to gram first. 4.5 times 1000 gram is 4500 gram. 1, 2, 3, 2 empty spaces, 2 zeros. And then 4500 gram, you divide 4. 144, 144, balance 1, bring down 0, 248, balance 2, bring down 0, 5420. So the answer is 1125 gram. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Bye bye.